Four the gates and four trailers. The gate swings out of the jerk for the start. Here at the stretch. Here they come. As they're off and facing, and Pokey's Mystery gets the call. To the inside, GB Broken Heart. To the outside there in fourth, Rockin' Ryan. And Little Rough gated there for Pokey's Mystery. As they head down the backside, GB Broken Heart leads by 3-4 lengths. To the inside, Hilltop Tough Gate. To the inside third, then Black and Sassy. As they roll to the far turn, now to the outside, Pleasure Zone is underway. From fourth, now third, and right behind him comes Rockin' Ryan as they head around the far turn and past the stands of the quarter-mile station. GB Broken Heart by 3 lengths to Hilltop Tough Gate. Opening quarter was in 35 seconds, and GB Broken Heart has led from the outset. To the inside, Hilltop Tough Gate is now blocked in second, and to the outside, Pleasure Zone challenging there for third. Rockin' Ryan follows there. Earplugs come out in fourth. At full blaze to the outside, fifth, followed by Here Comes the Groom at sixth. Down the backside they go to the final turn, and Pleasure Zone to the outside. To the inside, GB Broken Heart is going 3 wide. Here comes Hilltop Tough Gate, and the battle is on. GB Broken Heart from the center of the black Pleasure Zone and a hard charging Hilltop Tough Gate, but it is all Pleasure Zone.